Mr. Prospect, thank you for the appointment. As I have mentioned over the phone, my purpose of seeing you today is to share with you the reality of life. I'm representing MSI Business Academy, a financial planning company to help my client to achieve their financial planning goal. With your permission, may I ask you a few questions with regard to your reality of life? May I ask, why are you working? Yes, money is needed to fulfill life needs and dreams for yourself. Basic necessities, home expenses, children education, retirement, and to achieve financial freedom. Today our income support our lifestyle. The current situation is that our income is able to balance our family expenses. How much is the minimum financial requirement for your family? Okay, is 3,300 ringgit per month or about 40,000 ringgit per year? Imagine if these were to happen to you tomorrow. Disability, accident, or critical illness. You may lose your job or your income, right? On top of the daily expenses, now money is needed to fund unexpected expense due to disability, accident, or critical illness. Where can we get the contingency fund from? If this were to happen to you and cash is not enough, the unbalanced possible situation may happen to your family. Do you agree? There are only two ways to make money: man at work or money at work. When you stop working or man at work stops, your family immediately needs the money at work to work for them. Earlier during our discussion, you mentioned you need minimum 3,300 ringgit per month, or about 4,000 ringgit per year to support your family, right? When man at work stops, your family will need money at work, that is 1 million ringgit at 4% to generate 40,000 ringgit per annum. Do you have 1 million right now? With your current savings, how long would it take you to save 1 million ringgit? What would be the impact on you and your family if cash is not enough? What would happen to your children's education? House installment? Car installment? Can they cope with inflation increasing every year? So, who can replace you or your income? When you're gone, your other half will become a widow. She will have to face the uncertainty of tomorrow. The future of your widow looks bleak. She can't sleep well, wakes up in the middle of the night crying and feeling lonely, troubled, and worried. Next, cash is not enough. How is she going to pay the house installment, car repayment, and monthly expenses? Children may lose happiness, parental love. Education's not guaranteed anymore. No more holiday, movie, and entertainment. The whole family will suffer. Who knows that they are suffering because cash is not enough? So, who can help? Who can you turn to for help? Brothers and sisters, your best friends, bank, grandpa, grandma, welfare department? So what are your solutions? If I can share with you that there's a company able to offer you a solution, would you be interested to know? Yes, that company is AIA, a rock-solid and financial giant and stable company. AIA Malaysia, our record, 65 years in Malaysia. 42 billion ringgit assets under management. 2,100 employees. 17,000 life planners and 3 million customers. AIA Group, our vision. Vision. AIA to become the preeminent life insurance provider in the Asia-Pacific region. History of over 90 years. Presence in 17 markets. Listed on Hong Kong Stock Exchange. AIA Group, our facts. Total assets of over $147 billion. Market capitalization, $58 billion. Individual policies, 28 million. Employee, 20,000. Life planners, 160,000. AIA, the real life company that you can trust. Buy open an instant AIA income protection account today. You can put a stop to it. Your widow may not have to suffer and face the uncertainty of tomorrow, which is by no fault of her. You don't want this to happen to your family, right? Do you? Now go ahead and choose a package that suits your family. Where should we go from here?